Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Christine Till. I call myself the marketing mentress, and I'm going to share my screen with you because I want to share with you something that I discovered. I've been working on this for 13 years, guys. I've been looking for programs that are pre-done, ready for me to use, that I can just connect up to my computer because I don't have tech. And so many of my people that I've been coaching over the years to help with LinkedIn do not have tech either. So I've been looking for programs that can help all of us be able to boost our pensions, because in Canada the pensions are so low. The average pension in Canada is $1,300 a month, guys. Yeah, now there are some of you that are getting more than that, but it's an average, okay? And so if the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Canada is over $2,000 a month, it just does not compute, does it? So I found this program that is going to teach us about how to build an automated 100% profitable business online, guys, in 2025. And we're having a free webinar this Friday, and love to have you come. I'll be sending you an email, and so respond to the email if you have questions, and I'd love to answer your questions. But this webinar will show you the whole program and explain everything to you. I'm Christine Till. I call myself the marketing mentress, and I look forward to seeing you there.